Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I have an unboxing that's almost complete for Shimmerz. So I'm on the design team. Got to let you guys know these things. I'm on the design team and I get super excited when we have new goodies, and we're going to have new goodies to share with you today. But first, let's start with the color kit for March 2023. The first one I want to show you, we have, the color kit comes with a cut file, which I can't show you and I'll explain why. Cut file, 3 dots, can't show you, I'll explain why. And then we have 5 mixed media products. The reason why I can't show you the cut file at this exact moment, or the dots, is I already used them on a layout before I decided to do an unboxing. I'm gonna do an unboxing because I'm excited about these products. I love this color palette, but there's also new stuff on the horizon. So I'll be unboxing forevermore with the new goodies. Just know that for March and April, I will not have the cut file to show you, but it will be in my video, I promise. I'll have the cut file to show you as well as the dots. And I tend to release my color kits video really early in the month so you can get it and start creating and share and all that kind of stuff. Okay, let's get to it. My first color, it is a Vibes in Ocean Water. And these are all drying right now. You see a little bit of wet paint, but it's a gorgeous color. It's a Vibes. It's going to have such nice shimmery goodness, nice deep teal kind of vibe to it. Can it get it, Vibes? Okay, never mind. The next color is a Coloring. So just really nice pigment without all of the sparkle. Yes, and it has a little instructions. Mix, mix, mix. Don't shake. Okay, so this one is called A Shade of Gray. And grays happen to be my very favorite neutral. You can build it. It's a little wet still right there. It'll get slightly lighter. You can build it up. You can have it disperse like this, whatever you need for your project. Super fantastic neutral. The next one, it is an Inklings in Loose Lips Pink Ships. Super, super nice, incredible shimmer to it. Really nice mid-tone pale pink. Oh, I have to let these dry. I have them there, but look at that nice little pearly shimmer we have going. Gorgeous. Then I have a Creamies in Paradise Punch. So you just, all 3 of these, you just activate them with a little water, give it 30 seconds and get creating. Now, if you pop water in and give it a few minutes, you'll get even that much more pigment activated. So super, super, look guys, oh, I tipped it over on its side and now I am being attacked by it. So super pigmented, gorgeous color. It reminds me of this set of thickers I had gotten once upon a time. Anywho, really great, gorgeous, deep, pigmented magenta kind of tone. And then I have an Inklings in Sheer Bliss. This is it in the pot. Really gorgeous, pale gold, not super yellowy gold kind of tone. And since it's Inklings, we've got that great shimmer, shimmer, shine. Gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna put these up here, out of the way a little bit so they can dry, and then I will show you the next set of goodies. Okay, the next thing to show you is the Bonus bundles for March 2022. So it is a Shimmerz in Bubblegum Blast. It's a little wet right there. It's dry right here. So you can see what that looks like. And guys, what I do all month long on my desk for all of March, I will have my mixed media goodies that I have for design team goodies, and I use them and use them and use them. So I get really familiar with them. It's just a thing I love to do, because then it also reminds me to bring in mixed media. Anywho, I don't know if you can see, but there's the best shimmer going right there. And then with the bonus bundle, we always get a sequin mix. And this one is just so darn pretty. There's aqua, right? And aqua is my favorite. But there's also these mini super, super faceted looking sequins, and then a really gorgeous rose, and then a super faceted pale pink. So very, very nice, and itty bitty tiny little gold ones. And those pick up the Inkling Sheer Bliss just like crazy. And from what I understand, the bonus bundles are designed to actually match the color kits this month. So you can build it out that much more. Okay, so now we have that. I told you also the color kits, you get the 3 dots and you also get a cut file. Great, sweet, wonderful. Now, this is the drum roll moment, and I'm going to pop out just a little bit. So Shimmerz is now, I cannot believe how exciting this is. Shimmerz is now doing papers as well, and they match the color kits. They match the bonus bundles. So let me put these goodies aside and show you, I'm putting a couple goodies to the side. Okay, let's go through these. I haven't let myself look at them until I do it with you because, I don't know, I think it's a little bit more authentic when we look at it together. I just do. So all of this is designed to all match together. This is making me way too excited. All right, so these are double-sided. We have got an amazing wood grain with these gorgeous florals, and we've got some of the leafy bits and twigs and stuff like that. I've got to see if I can get doubles of these. I always like to get double pages. I don't know why. All right, so now the back side. Oh, that's interesting, guys. And this is super smooth feeling. Oh, and I always like to say, like, this has a really nice thickness to it. So, like, when you hold it, if it doesn't, like, just, like, bend over like copy paper, you're feeling pretty darn good. Okay, so this is an ombre. So we've got these feathers, but they go from super dark and they're fading off into a light tone. And I think that is gorgeous. So this is why I want doubles of these, because I want this paper and I want this paper. It's true. Okay, next. All right, so this is a black and white. How interesting. So first thing I'm noting is, first of all, I love a white core, so that's awesome. But the thing I'm noticing first off is that these floral pieces, and they're somewhere between a rose and a peony. I don't know. They're separated out so you can fussy cut / detail cut them out if you want to, which is super fun. Okay, and the flip side, oh guys, look, it's tone on tone, and it's like in the teal shade. So it's, see the ocean water with it? That is freaking clever. Guys, look at, okay, anyway, I'm gonna not carry on nonstop. All right, so now this is white with a really nice strong kind of gray, and that totally looks great with the colorings a shade of gray. Do I need to keep doing this? I think we've got the point, right? But look at, it matches. Okay, so floral bits on the sides, totally has your layout framed. Oh, but here we go. I want to cut out all of these things. How can they have good sides on both of these papers? Okay, so super gorgeous. It's softer, it's pretty. Now this color right here, to me, is picking up this inklings right here. Super gorgeous, pretty. So we've got these florals, smaller florals. There's little buds and leafy bits, and it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna leave that side out. Should we do this on like my favorites? Okay, let's go like this. Clearly I like florals. Our next piece, ooh, this is neat. So it's a bunch of leafy bits, which I like, and then it's just white. So it kind of looks like, you know when you get those like dried eucalyptus leaves in things? That's what it looks like to me. Now our flip side, oh, this is so awesome. So this is very cool because I've done this on about 1,000 layouts where you have your lines around it and then you have some splatters. So that part is already done for you. That's super cool piece of paper. Okay, next. Let me move these down the way. Next, so we've got this one. It's got lots of nice bright colors in it. We've got the teals, all kinds of feathers. So they're clustered a little bit more here and they're kind of cascading down here. Very interesting piece of paper. And I actually have a little feather punch somewhere. That might be interesting. Okay. Oh, and the backside, super pretty. So it's absolutely tone on tone. It's not all one color though. So it looks just like this watercolory pink, and it's, I need doubles. Shoot, I so need doubles. All right, love this for a background. I'm kind of sad because I want doubles. All right, so now we have a white and a black, and it's just a nice little grid kind of a pattern. Super useful, super easy background. Oh, how cute. And then this side is just like these watercolory little dots. Oh, that's so pretty. I like that it's like they're not perfect circles and they totally look watercolored. That's super cool. Our next piece is full of leafy bits, and once again, they're not all touching, so you can totally cut these out and layer them up. I'm so digging on this. Well, free, yeah. Okay, so now we've got a gorgeous wood grain in orchidy shades, and this is my favorite piece, and this is my favorite piece. This is a problem. So absolutely gorgeous wood grain, photorealistic, but it also has like the most beautiful like orchidy sheen to it. Love that. Then we've got this one right here. So we've got this really nice big floral cluster. Gorgeous, gorgeous artwork on it. And I love it. Like it's totally picking up all of these colors from the kit. Oh, and the backside reminds me of a snow cone. Super pretty. So we've got a rosy pink. It's going into these really great like aqua turquoisey kind of colors here. It either looks like a beautiful sky. I can see this for 4th of July actually. It goes into a lot of colors, and we have a floral on this side. Now, I don't know if it's going to be every kit, but in this kit at least, there's 2 cut apart sheets. So like these are like your die cuts for this kit. And I don't even know if these kits have a name. Right now, to me, this is the March kit, March paper kit. I don't know. I don't know if they have a name yet. I'm just unboxing. So let's see what we have. And I wanted to get this film because I totally want to sit down and detail cut these out. We've got this gorgeous wreath that wants to get made into a shaker pocket with these. We've got this gorgeous bit of florals. Now these look like peonies, and I just did a layout with my peonies garden. That is so funny. And I have all of these colors in my garden. We've got these gorgeous feathers. We've got this cute little birdie nest and the sweetest little gray birdie. He's a little chunky. Some leafy bits, this really pretty little butterfly over here, more feathers. We've got this piece here, this little piece of wood that, you can detail cut out and, do you on it. Welcome spring for a title. This cute little Vespa with the florals on it, super cute. Oh, look at this pink butterfly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 little butterflies, cute. So that is single-sided. So if for some reason you don't want to detail cut this out, you've got a white piece on the back, but I am loving this artwork so that I will have all kinds of details I can cut out. And then look at all of these great titles and words and all of that. So we have Follow Your Heart, You Got This, The Best Is Yet to Come, Always Look at the Bright Side, Wild Child, Good Vibes Only, Magical Moments, Snapshot, Sparkle, Leave a Little Sunshine Where You Go, Memories, Faith, This Is Us, Smile, Wild and Free, I Love You, Hugs and Kisses, Perfection, look at that stone look on this color. Oh, pretty. Happiness, Choose Happy, It Is What It Is, Beautiful Minds Inspire Others, Shine, Joy, Blessed, Loving, This. So you've got your papers, you've got die cuts, you've got titles, you have mixed media, you have sequins. Oh, but wait. This is the embellishment for this month. We've got these Felicity Jane puffy stickers in Jenny, or from the Jenny collection. And they are puffy and white. And Felicity Jane has like nice feeling puffies. We have an and sign or ampersand. So you could have 2 titles. I love you, perfection, and I love you, whatever. You can do whatever. The word happy, an arrow, celebrate, yay, smile. This really nice little sketchy heart, birthday, love, today. And then the packaging even is cute. You can use the packaging right here to have a scallop. And this little bit here looks just like a washi tape. So do not toss the packaging. In fact, I, use packaging all the time for my mixed media product. So that's what I have for you guys today. I am loving all of these fun new goodies. I hope you like them too. And I'll be back ever so soon with another video. I will be creating with this sometime this month. And what else to tell you guys? Oh, you guys, when you place your orders, put my name in the comment section to get a freebie. That's super important. Like you can't get like a freebie at the same time as they're doing like a half off promotion. It's one or the other, you know, for a code. So place your order, put my name in the comments, get a little freebie, and make sure to come to, let's see, the blog to see all kinds of stuff for inspiration. We've got our Facebook group, which is awesome. I'll have links down below. So we can see what you're creating and you can see what the DT is creating, as well as, of course, the store, because that's where you get all your goodies. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now.